Okay, so in the last tutorial I showed you how to set up a survey. Now I want to show you how to collect the responses and how to set up a survey so that you can automatically grade assignments. So again, we're looking at the back end of the survey. You notice here under responses it says responses for. Now I filled out this form 4 times just for the sake of illustration. And if I click on responses and a summary of responses, okay, I'll see a number of pie charts and bar graphs illustrating the number of responses for each question. Okay. You can also click on this button here to stop receiving responses. You can also click on tools and you can add some scripts. I'm going to show you in a second how this works. You can also click on view and download as and CSV, and what this does, this actually downloads the data as an Excel spreadsheet. You'll notice once you go back to your Google Drive homepage that in addition to the library satisfaction survey that you just created, there is a separate spreadsheet. So whenever you set up a form in Google Drive, not only does it create the form, but once you start to accept responses, it automatically creates a spreadsheet, a virtual spreadsheet within Google Drive that has all the responses. Okay. So once you open up this separate spreadsheet, you can see the responses online as an Excel. And remember what I showed you before, you were actually downloading this spreadsheet. Okay. There is a tool or a script that's called Flubaroo, and what Flubaroo does is it automatically grades assignments for you. Okay, so to be able to activate Flubaroo, you need to go to Tools, and you want to go to Script Gallery. So let's say you've already created your survey, you've already gotten your results, and now you're looking at the results spreadsheet. So we want to search for Flubaroo, and I want to click on install. It just takes a second to install. Okay, and now it's installed. Alright, you know it's installed because you'll see a separate tab up here that says Flubaroo. Alright, and what you do with Flubaroo is it takes the first submission, so this first submission here to this survey, and it actually uses that as a key to grade. So let's say you want to give a quiz to students. What you're going to do is you're going to set up the form in Google Docs. Then you're going to fill out the survey yourself with all the correct answers. The first set of answers here in row 2, these are the quote-unquote correct answers for this survey. Okay, so this is going to be used as the grading key. So again, I'm going to click on Flubaroo, and I'm going to click on Grade Assignment. Okay, and there's a 2-step process here. Alright, and the first step, I have to choose how much I want to assign for each question. So let's say for that particular quiz, each question was worth 5 points. I select 5 points and press Continue. Okay, and then you see select submission time. Alright, what this does, you're actually choosing which one of the submissions you want to use as a key to grade the rest of the submissions. Alright, so I know that I can look at the first one here, since this was the one that I filled out first with the correct answers, and this is the one that I'm going to use as the grading key. And I'm going to press Continue. Okay, and just like that, I can view the grades. Alright, it shows me the percentage right. There's a lot of things I can do with this. I can regrade the assignment. I can change the grading key if I want to. I can click on email grades. So if in that survey I had a box for the students' email addresses, I could select their email address and have it automatically sent, kind of like with mail merge if you've ever used that before. I can click on view report, okay, and it creates an instant report for the survey, and I can email this report to myself. So this is a really quick way to give assessments in class and to be able to grade them without taking up extra time. So I hope this helps you in using Flubaroo and analyzing the results of a survey or a quiz. Thanks for watching.